Hey everybody! For the sake of today, I'd like to make a tutorial on making tutorials. Let's get started. Okay, let's say I have this sweet thing in Ableton I want to show off, some plugins, technique, whatever, I got stuff going. What I would do is I would load up OBS, which we have here. When you get it loaded up, it looks just like this. Down here, you have your scenes, you have your sources, and you have your audio mixer. As you can see here, we're getting my microphone audio in, and that's desktop audio. So for instance, to get started, the first thing I want to do is, let's say I would like to have a video capture device to make sure that my webcam is in there. So I'm just going to call this webcam, create new. Okay, there we are. Hi guys. Put that in here. I can move this around. I can resize it, do whatever I want. There are even some funky effects we can put on it. The next thing that I would want to do is add a screen capture. Sorry, a display capture. If you scroll down here, it's towards the top, display capture. Create a new, I'm going to say screen, Ableton. Okay, so this is my screen, so we're getting a feedback loop here, which is, of course, pretty cool. I'm going to say, actually, no, that's the wrong one. This is the one. Sorry, I'm running two sessions at the same time. Okay, so we've got our feedback loop going. And at the moment, you'll see we still have the webcam, but now our screen cam is actually on top of it. So what I want to do is right-click on this. I want to go down to the middle here where it says order, and I say move to the bottom. And this just places it at the very back. So now I can move this stuff around. I can put my screen capture here, and I can kind of move this thing around. So now if I just go back to Ableton, it'll just do whatever's on my screen. So just to test this real quick, if I say start recording, I'm gonna already be recording. I'll move this. Let's say I want it right here. I'm gonna go back to Ableton, and now I can just play in Ableton, do some stuff, talk about it a bit, and then I can go back to OBS. I can hit stop recording, and then I can go to where I have everything saved on my hard drive. Open this up. Oops, sorry. Open this up. Recording. I'm gonna and now you can see right here. I'm gonna go back to Ableton, and now I can just play Ableton. We got our whole video here. If you wanted to make it a little bit more complex, like for instance in the beginning today I had an introduction like slide. What I'd do is I'd create a second scene. So go here, click add a second scene. Yes, I'm gonna rename this just for sake. I'll say title splash. First thing I want to do is maybe set a background color. So I'd go here to our sources. I will add a source. I'll say I would like a color source. I could easily do an image or something, but let's do a nice kind of greenish color. And click to add another one, and I could add, let's add an image along with this. I'll just browse. I think I've got something on my desktop or in my downloads section. What is this guy? Okay, this is a picture of my living room. Resize this. I want it to be pretty small, let's say. And I think you can right click and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. And I'll also add a text to say, greetings, internet, exclamation mark. I can move this around. I can resize it. If I double click here, I can go and I can change the font. Here, I think this is a font I made of my brother's handwriting. Greetings, internet. And now I can switch back and forth between screen capture and this thing. And I can also change how it's changing things. I don't know, what is a stinger? Add stinger? What's a stinger? I don't really know what this is. Okay, I probably shouldn't have done that. It's demonstrational video. Okay, I go back to fade. There we go. And I think there are ways to control this with a MIDI controller. I've never actually done it, but I think you can do it. Anyways, that's a very short, quick demonstration on how to make a tutorial video with a webcam in it. Cool. That's about it. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.